Everyone, to Global FX Radio's Market Wrap-Up Show YouTube. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. March 30th, 2009, almost the end of the month. What a day, what a day. Hopefully you folks were listening to my radio broadcast. I do apologize for not providing the YouTube back in full force, back in business, feeling better, move went well, ready to rock and roll. What a day. Dollar index, as you saw, broke out on Friday. Stock market down. Today, General Motors in the toilet. Tank. Obama. I just want to know what happened to the first $15 billion they gave to them. Does that mean it's gone when they go bankrupt? And to give them more money is just ludicrous. If they go bankrupt, that money will be gone. So lots of decisions to be made. Geithner was on Meet the Press, preparing the world for more money to be given to the banks. Ireland got downgraded today, and they're going to be downgraded more. That's like 4 now, I think, in the Eurozone. Spain, Greece. Things are just horrible in Europe. And again, Euro sterling, to me, very weak, rolling over. We're going to look at that chart in a second. But, listen, I think it's a perfect setup for a turnaround Tuesday. Perfect setup. And we saw the carry trade getting annihilated as, again, the world prepares for things not to get much better. And these patches of green, I don't know what they're talking about. Obviously, even in the Great Depression, there was still 75% employed. But it's just bad. And I think, again, end of the year for Japan coming up tomorrow. I think there's going to be more repatriation coming out, more capital flows going back to Japan. The stock market held up relatively well. There's not much more they can do there. So I would imagine the carry trade is probably going to have another leg down. Possible turnaround Tuesday, but we'll talk about that in a bit. We've been having turnaround Mondays. Not today. Well, certainly carry trade came back a little bit. Anyway, bond yields pretty much down a little bit. 10-year 270, not real big deal there. And again, big movement. Euro Canada. Hopefully some of you benefited the last couple of days. Big reversal there today. As again, General Motors, right? Canada, Canada's biggest trading partner. So this bankruptcy possibility, not good for Canada. That probably lasts another day. GDP tomorrow out of loony land, so look for that to have a big impact on the Canadian dollar, the loony. Turning to, again, the charts, let's look at the dollar index. As we see here, dollar index breaking out to the upside, crossing through our Fibonacci level, getting real close. I think we get a nice little turnaround Tuesday. Nothing goes up and down the straight line. Dollar index probably gets up to 86.95, the golden retracement, right? Fills in this whole gap. You could call this a gap if you want, big break. But certainly stalling today at the 50% retracement. Dollar index to me, looking like it has one more day left. Euro dollar held the 30 exponential. I think maybe we pierce through it and then we come back. One more down day again, down to that 130.20 level. And again, we do our Fibonacci retracement levels. The euro held right at the 50. So I think 130 probably gives way tonight. I think then we probably have a nice little reversal. So I imagine, maybe it's on Chicago PMI coming out tomorrow. Big number. Consumer confidence out of the U.S. supposed to uptick a little. If Chicago PMI is bad, I would imagine we're going to see the stock market go down. The dollar probably reverse on that. Dollar yen made a nice little comeback, but broke. The S&P futures were down big today. I think the stock market's going back down, baby. Back down. Maybe even to the lows. Corporate earnings are coming out, pre-announcements. It's not good. Even gold and oil down. I think oil also had something to do with the loonie. Dollar Canada being so strong, loonie being so weak. Anyway, dollar yen, look at this chart on the daily. I think it's going to have a hard time busting through 99. Unless we close above 99, I'm staying bearish. We tried to sell the rallies last night. We didn't get one. Pound dollar held up fairly well today. Once again, Fibonacci retracement. Let's take a look. Yada, yada, yada. Pound's going to go for the 140.90 level. Once we broke through this support level, that 144.50 level we spoke about, pound was done. But with euro sterling, really, it's declining. And I got to tell you, this euro sterling, to me, is the most overvalued currency out there. London's going to make it. The European Union might not. I want the old Deutschmark. I want to buy the Deutschmark. Boy, if they ever break up, you buy that Deutschmark and close your eyes. Talk about a reserve currency. But again, the pound, I'd say it's going to touch again. Going to retest today's lows, maybe hold, but probably go for that 140.50 level, pound dollar. Euro sterling. And remember, this was it. I tried to warn you folks, no more 2-month deal. Right now, the only option you have to try my premium service is a 1-week trial and then $200 a month after that. The 3-month deal will be coming back in June, so those of you might want to wait for the 3-month deal, by all means. But looking at this Euro sterling chart again, if you have any questions about that, info at globalfxradio.com. Be more than happy to answer any of your questions. Right now, it's a doji. Time right now is 2:53 when I'm doing this. I think this rolls over, takes out previous day lows. We come back and test 92 easy. We crack through this 91.50 level. It could get ugly. 92.50, a big spot. 91.50, a big spot in my opinion. A close below there. Say sayonara. Bye-bye. Euro yen. No, not Euro Aussie. Big reversal day in that one, huh? Aussie got taken out today. I think the commodity yens are the place to be. We're going to do those right now. But look at the big move in this euro yen. It just comes like, but they dribble it up and then bang, bang in your face. But shooting star last Tuesday. No, I'm sorry, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, yeah. Big reversal there. Turn around Tuesday. I think we come back down. We retest this one lows today, 126.50. And we probably test 125. But I would imagine, if anything, it'll be a double bottom. And, 3 down days, boom, reversal. Pound yen. And again, that's barring any bad news coming out. Lots of data coming out tonight. German unemployment coming out. I would imagine the euro's going to get whacked on that. Italian retail sales tonight, too. So some decent numbers. CPI coming out. Nothing really for London. Pound yen, sorry. Still getting over this weekend, this music conference and moving. Oh. Back. I'll put it out. Luna yen. Get it again. Pound yen. It looks like it's going to test this 135. 135.20 level. I don't see this as a reversal unless we close today at 139, 139.50 up here. We're going back down, baby. And I think it's getting a great opportunity. Stock market down 317 right now as we speak. It's 255. I think the market probably closes lower. A lot of people sucked into this rally, baby. Aussie yen, Citibank went to like an 85 target on Aussie yen, saying it had to break through 70 first, though, and never did. Shooting star last Tuesday held. Sell the rally, 67. Great spot. That Aussie dollar looks very vulnerable. New Zealand yen, another one. And again, I think the last couple of days, remember, this is the end of the fiscal year for Japan. There might be some more repatriation. They held up the stock prices. They held up their assets by weakening the yen, as well as the stock markets went up. So they got the double whammy effect. Retracement. Pull back. At least to 53. I think any rallies, 55, that'll be a great spot. That's where I'll be looking to short it. Get shorty, baby. Again, info at globalfxradio.com if you have any questions. And remember, I appreciate all your comments, all your emails. Feel free to email me any issues you have. Last but not least, I want to look at Euro Canada. I think it's going up. I think this auto situation, very bullish. Week for Canada. Took out previous day lows. Closing very strong here, 66.46. It's going higher. But we had a nice little run in it. I think we probably come back up, 67.50. This dollar Canada. Take a look. That's trying to break out over 126 is a big breakout. And again, so to reiterate, I think the dollar continues to rally today in the next 24 hours, but I think we get a reversal. Turnaround Tuesday. Again, dollar becoming a little overbought. Stock market might make a comeback. Who knows? But I do think that we get a little bit of reversal. I think we test the 130 level in the euro. Carry trade continues to go lower. Whether or not that turns around, I have no idea. And that's it. That's the game plan, baby. Andrew Spanton, Global FX Radio, YouTube. The only voice you will ever need in Forex that makes you money. Oh, baby. Start off the week with a bang today. This week. Have a good one.